Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used 2023 Audi A1 Sportback edition, complemented in a glacier white metallic paintwork, housing your petrol engine and efficient automatic transmission, delivering 110 PS, making this an ideal nippy city runaround or as a first car, with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights and sitting comfortably on your 16-inch alloy wheels. You'd also have the added protection of power folding wing mirrors and even your parking sensors, followed in the boot area by enough space for all of your daily essentials. And in the rear you will find the comfortable cloth upholstery with access to your fitted ISOFIX points. And following in the front, you do have access to your multifunctional leather steering wheel and central touch display for further convenience, with again your stylish cloth finish. Looking at the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including your controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data and audio, with the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have a similar access again with a wide selection of radio stations and Bluetooth connectivity to stay endlessly entertained and of course connected on the go. For a more tailored driving experience, you also have your Audi Drive Select, complete with your efficiency mode, alongside your driving assistance features for further safety, including your lane departure warning to reduce the chance of any collisions. You'd also have your manual air conditioning controls below, followed by your handy power outlets and of course central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.